Hey, this is Ed with China Mouse Farm. I have an Ecoflow Delta 2. Just came in the mail. So I'm going to open the box. Oh. Oops. Oh. Like that. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's put this out. It comes with a book and a warranty card. And now I'll pull it out the box. Okay, it comes with a little box inside the big box, and some sockets and a button. Let me see. Well, oh, there you go. Hey, it's on. And now. That's that side. Let me see what's on the other side. There's something right there. I'll figure that out. And then here's another side. Oh, it's got, oh wow. You can hook up some house things, sockets and stuff. And cigarette lighter thing for DC. And in this little box right here, let's try to open it. I'm opening the box with this knife. Okay, here's a DC connector with a I think that's an Anderson, I think. And then the barrel and the AC to the to this one. Okay, so that's my Ecoflow. It's ready to, oops, this table. It's on the name Ecoflow. And it's 28% charge. So I'm gonna plug it up over there and let it charge. So that's my new Ecoflow Delta 2. It was on, well, it's got 2,700 watts. I think this just was starting it, and then 1,800 watts for continuous use. It was on special at Amazon, half price, regular $9.99. I got it for $4.86 because I got the extended warranty. And that's it from China Mouse Farm.